Today, I'm going to show you how to draw this super cute owl. Let's get started. Alright, on the top, we're going to make a curve and an ear that goes up and make it go all the way down. We'll make it go all the way up. Make another ear. Alright. Now we're gonna draw the beak. The beak kind of looks like an upside down raindrop. Remember, you can always pause the video if you feel like we're going a little too fast. Now, from the beak, we're gonna draw kind of like goggles, but that's the outside of the eye. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the actual eyes on the inside of the outside of the eyes. That sounds funny. So we're gonna make a circle. And make the highlight, it's just going to be a bigger circle. And a smaller circle. I'm just going to over here. Alright, when you have something that looks like this, color like this area. Alright? Same on the other side. Now, we're gonna draw the wings. For the wings, you're just gonna go out, curve, and go straight down. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, we're just gonna do the feathers. The feathers are just views. Put 3 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 3 on the bottom. Alright, the last thing is the feet. The feet, we're just gonna do a U, a U, and a U is connected. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, your feet should look something like this. You're done with your owl. It's time to color. The colors I'm gonna use are mocha dark brown, and burnt ochre. guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.